There we go. Almost 7 o'clock in the morning. We reached a 13,000 above sea level. So we are about to watch the sunrise. Waiting for it. There's so many people. There hundreds of cars around the hill. So the sun about to come up from the east. Here we go on Tibetan Plateau. Okay, we are waiting for the sunrise. It's about to from the east on the Tibetan Plateau. Also, we are making chai. Getting ready. Woo! Chai, adra chai. Indian chai is almost ready.
कितना चाहिए भाई?
कितना chai, bhai? Oh my God.
चार गिलास।
Okay, chai is ready.
बस हो गया। तीन चाय।
Indian tea.
गरम चाय।
Wow.
थोड़ा।
Indian tea.
थोड़ा। Okay.
Oh, really Indian chai. Huh? Oh. So cold, so freezing cold. In the snow. Chai. It's absolutely freezing and cold. I mean, freezing ice everywhere. So cold, but it's a hot chai. Mixed, warmed up. It's a boiling chai, but it's after a couple of minutes, it became cold. Have to drink it very fast. Woo! And then you can see so many people early in the morning. So many cars, so many people. Supposed to watch the sunrise, but I'm not sure sunrise coming or not. Here we are. We are getting more sunlight. More sunlight. Still waiting for the sunrise from the east. But it's gonna in another probably 20 minutes or so. We're gonna wait for the sunrise. Chai. Okay. कौन मुझ गया? Oh, chai पीने वाला है.
एक गिलास 10 रुपए।
Go! Tibetan Plateau. Wow.